There's a reason so many drivers turn to buy all-season tires when they start seeing Lincoln's head in between the treads of their old set. All seasons check a lot of boxes your customers are looking for in terms of performance, longevity, and convenience across a variety of driving conditions. However, while all-season tires can be a great fit, they do have their limitations, especially in sudden heavy snow or extreme winter conditions. In contrast, all-weather tires are engineered to handle diverse climates, from scorching summers to freezing winters, without compromising performance. This makes them a strong alternative to the all-season segment. Hankook has been a pioneer in the all-weather market. The tire manufacturer's latest all-weather tire, the Weatherflex GT, is a culmination of over 17 years of relentless research and innovation in all-weather technology, setting a new standard in the tire industry and ensuring drivers remain all-climate confident. Some drivers may expect all-season tires with an M&S, mud and snow, marking on the sidewall to be able to handle heavy snow conditions. On the other hand, the 3-peak mountain snowflake certification found on all-weather tires, like the Weatherflex GT, is internationally recognized, signifies that the tire meets specific performance standards and is suitable for use in severe snow conditions. Look here. The Weatherflex GT's tread is crafted with wide grooves and intricate zigzag patterns to bolster traction on snowy, icy, and wet surfaces. Hankook's exclusive 3D grip control sipes further enhance block stiffness, thereby boosting handling in various weather conditions. Internal tests show that the Weatherflex GT delivers outstanding performance, achieving a 12% improvement in wet handling compared to competitors. A high silica and resin compound improves grip while ensuring the tire's durability across a wide temperature range. Enhanced silica dispersion techniques also contribute to increased tread longevity and overall tire durability. Importantly, the Weatherflex GT offers a substantial 70,000-mile warranty. That means long-lasting performance that surpasses other all-weather competitors, and even many all-season tires. In fact, internal tests show that it delivers 25% longer tread life than the competitor. This extended performance reflects Hankook's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, keeping drivers all climate confident. Hankook's all-weather tires have not only led the way in innovation, but have also garnered respect and high ratings in European tire tests. In fact, Hankook's 4S2 all-weather tire ranked #1 in Europe's premier tire test, surpassing leading brands and achieving the highest outstanding rating. The rise in all-weather tire adoption has become notable in recent years, and not just in regions known for harsh winters. You're also seeing this segment grow in areas where drivers occasionally face wintry conditions, like the mountainous terrains and the Pacific Northwest, and even in places with milder climates such as California and Texas. From coast to coast, drivers are discovering the benefits of all-weather tires: seamless performance in unexpected snow, rain, and dry conditions, the convenience of not having to switch tires with the season, and the suitability for today's popular SUVs and CUVs. Hankook's Weatherflex GT represents a smart choice for anyone seeking safety, convenience, and adaptability. With their robust performance and growing popularity, it's clear that all-weather tires are not just a trend, they're here to stay.